Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get Ford Mustang Hoonicorn blueprints. The Hoonicorn is a truly iconic custom vehicle, celebrated in many racing games. When we talk about blueprints for this car, we are referring to the various ways you can acquire this powerful machine within your favorite virtual racing world. We will cover the primary methods to add this legendary car to your in-game collection. One common way to get the Hoonicorn is through in-game acquisition. The Hoonicorn version 1 is often available for purchase directly from the auto show for a certain amount of in-game credits. The rarer Hoonicorn version 2, however, is typically acquired by completing seasonal events, earning it from the backstage shop, or by finding it listed by other players in the auction house. Prices there can vary significantly. Beyond direct purchase, special events and gifts offer exciting opportunities. Many games feature seasonal championships where completing specific challenges will reward you with the Hoonicorn version 2. Additionally, game developers sometimes provide the Hoonicorn as a free gift to all players, often as part of a special tribute or celebration. Always keep an eye out for these limited-time events and generous offerings. It is important to remember that the real-world Hoonicorn is a unique, highly modified 1965 Ford Mustang. Actual blueprints for this custom build are not publicly available for purchase. However, within the game, you have extensive options to customize your virtual Hoonicorn. You can apply various performance upgrades, change its appearance, and fine-tune it to your exact racing preferences, making it truly your own.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.